Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on using ChatGPT for social media. To begin, we're going to start here in the ChatGPT playground. Next, we'll set our temperature all the way up to 1 and our maximum length somewhere right in the middle, around the 2000 mark. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, let's say we need to write an Instagram description for the company we work for. We'll start by telling ChatGPT what we need it to do. So write an Instagram post description, period. Next, we'll type in what other basic information we need this post to have. Now let's say it's Adopt an Owl Month, and the fictional company I work for is called Who's Hungry. And Who's Hungry, it's a food delivery app that uses owls to deliver food. Now that our basic prompt design is complete, let's see what ChatGPT gives us by hitting the submit button. It's hashtag Adopt an Owl Month, and @Who's Hungry is here to help. With our owl delivered food service, you can support owl conservation and enjoy delicious meals at the same time. Support owls, support local businesses, and enjoy a delicious meal. What's not to love? And it's got a few hashtags for us. This is pretty good. This is a pretty solid start to something we might need. Now, let's just erase this. If you liked it, you can copy, paste it into a different document, and use it for later. But let's say we want it to use emojis. So we'll write use emojis. Let's see what we get. So right away on the first sentence, we've got an owl, we've got a heart, we've got another owl. So it's doing pretty much what we're asking of it. Now let's say we wanted to add a call to action. We'll hit submit and we'll see what it does. We got the emojis. We've got all the information we want. Click the link to order now. All right, that's a call to action. We don't have a link, obviously, but we can specify that if we want. We can tell it to go to the description. We can really specify the call to action however we'd like. We can ask it to mention, let's just do @Barn Owl Fund. I don't know if that's a real fund, but let's just see what it does. We got our emojis. We've got @Barn Owl Fund. Let's see what we did. Well, what ChatGPT did here was it gave us this 10% of proceeds. This is why it's important to always double check, see what ChatGPT is doing. You don't want to just copy and paste exactly what it says. But let's say we did want an offered discount. Let's offer a 10% discount with code Barn Owl. And ChatGPT is going to work its magic. There we go. Get 10% off your order. That's pretty good. What if we need it to be 200 words long? Make this 200 words long. It'll make it 200 words long. Now, the important thing to understand here is if we're going to ask it to make it a longer length, we're going to need to give it more information to work with. If we don't, then what it might do is it might start getting either repetitive, it might start making stuff up, or it might get pretty generic. So that's something you're going to want to take in mind. But as you can see here, it's giving us a lot of information. We've got an error right here. See, it's using the wrong code, ban owl, and the code we asked it to use was barn owl. So there are some errors here. Now let's make this a little shorter. Let's just keep it a sweet 50 words long. Not too long. Oh, it's doing, I forget what these are called, but these aren't emojis. These are something else, but it's giving us something kind of cute to work with here. So let's say we like this and we want to adjust the voice and tone. So let's say the voice and tone should appeal to, let's say we're targeting young adults who are identify as gamers, right? Who identify as gamers. And let's see what we get. Right away, we got some swords. Lace up your gaming boots. We've got some different emoji use here. We got a lightning. Our speedy owls will deliver your tasty takeout faster than you can beat the final boss. So it's making some gaming references. Yeah, it's doing exactly what we asked for. So you can tinker with the prompts to adjust as needed. You can tinker with it to write a Facebook post or maybe a tweet. Another thing you can do with social media is answer comments. So let's tell ChatGPT that someone is upset with this post. Now what you can do here is you can copy their post and paste it into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, hey, how should we respond to this? But for now, we're just going to say someone is upset with this post. Write a reply. Let's hit submit and see what we get. So it gave us a placeholder at username. We understand that you are upset. Rest assured that all owls that are used are treated with the utmost care and safety. That's pretty good. It's giving us something to work with. Now, let's say we want to make it sound more friendly. Make it sound more, let's use sincere. Make it sound more sincere. Let's do that and see what we get. So as you can see here, there's mention of keeping the owl's health and safety a priority. All profits made from food go to saving preserving owls. Well, that's not true, so we want to take that out and adjust as needed. But right away, you can see ChatGPT, it knows how to make voice and tone adjustments. Let's adjust the voice and tone, and let's mess around with it a bit. Let's say the voice and tone should appeal to pirates. Right away, ahoy mateys. You see, it's doing exactly what we want. It's appealing to how it imagines a pirate would like. Now let's say someone is having an issue with their order. Let's tell them to, so right now we're creating context, right? And now we're gonna create the task. So we'll say, write a friendly. We always want to use specific adjectives so ChatGPT knows how to lean into that comment. So write a friendly and concerned comment. Write a friendly and concerned comment. And we'll tell them to direct them to customer service at 555-5555. That's the phone number. We'll see what we get. We are sorry to hear that you are having an issue with your order. Please reach out to customer service team at 555-5555. They will be able to assist you with any concerns you might have. Let us know if we can help out in any other way. Sound more sincere. We are sorry to hear about your issue with your order. We understand how frustrating this can be and apologize for any inconvenience caused. So right away, it's a little bit more sincere. Let's offer a 10% off their next order. We apologize for the issue you experienced with your order. Please contact customer service. As a token of appreciation, we'd like to offer you a 10% discount on your next order. So as you can see, it's pretty crafty. Another thing you can do with social media is you can have it, let's do craft a month-long social media campaign calendar. For, let's do llama t-shirts. We want to reach 100 million impressions. So here we go. It's starting off with Sunday post 1 and post 2, Monday post 1, post 2, Tuesday. So it's giving us a day-by-day social media campaign schedule. Let's see how far it keeps going. We've got Friday. We've got Saturday. Let's see, is it going to keep going? Okay, so it gave us a week-long social media campaign versus a 1 month long. So we can adjust it as we need. We can have it do a 2 week, 3 week. We can have it to do 1 post a day, 3 posts a day. Adjust it as needed. I mean, you can basically mention any product, any goal. You can mention different channels you want to be mentioned in. You can mention different social media sites that you want to be on. So it can do posts for Facebook, posts for TikTok. You can do Instagram videos, Facebook videos. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can do as far as setting up and creating a calendar. So yeah, anyway, that's the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.